Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is the 20th of October, 2022. We're going to talk about Quant today to see if it's still bullish. I got some things on the chart now that the market is reflecting that kind of tells me that it may not be. And if it's not, then I definitely want to tell my community that the price in Quant is not ready to go up. Let's talk. You guys can see right here that I didn't do a price prediction on my last video in Quant, which was on the 21st of October. So 7 days ago, and you all can see that we got a little bit more information that kind of gives us a hint as to how the market is thinking. Now, I created this ascending line in Quant, and I was prepared to see the buyers come in the market and hold the trend line. Well, check this out. Let me zoom in on this chart, because now the price in Quant is not trading above the trend line. The first day that the market cracked below the trend line was yesterday on the 27th of October. And then take a look at the market today in Quant. Okay, we're currently seeing the price break down below that ascending line. That is weakness. Okay, that's one signal, one indication that the price in Quant may not be bullish right now. It's just that simple. It's just that simple. So when you see this, the only object that could keep price in Quant from really falling further is right there around $160. We can still see a chance, maybe 25-40% chance that the buyers can still come in around 160 to keep Quant from falling further. Let's take a look at this on the 2-day. Okay, so here's Quant here on the 2-day time frame. I'm just simply painting the picture as to how you should be seeing the market in Quant, and it looks weak right now. Okay, look at Quant here on the 3-day. All of these time frames is reflecting how prices are getting rejected now on this ascending line. The price is getting shut down as price tried to trend higher to around $170. It got rejected and came back down. Look at this on the weekly chart. So in the next 2 days and 14 hours, let's say that the market in Quant closes on the low end of this weekly price bar. That again defines weakness, and we need to be prepared for price to go down. It's just about preparation. It's not about fear. It's not about FUD. It's not about FOMO. It's just about being prepared. Because imagine the people who came in and thought that Quant was a buy right here during the week of October 25th, 2021. If you would have seen that as an indication of weakness, you either one would have sold at profit, or two, you wouldn't have bought the market and Quant at that time because you saw the sellers. You saw the weakness coming in. This is that same scenario right now. We need to see the buyers hold 160. This trend line is now being invalidated. Okay, so let me show you all the hourly chart real quick, and then you guys can see perfectly where the market in Quant is showing its rejection, where the sellers are coming in at, where that ascending line is now acting as resistance. We don't want to see that if we're trying to be bullish. Now, if you're trying to be a bear or you're trying to short the market in Quant, then this is what you want to see. Because the market actually is confirming your original idea that price is weak and it's going to go down. So what I'm going to do is I am going to place some weakness into the market in Quant. Now, I don't want you all to be oblivious and think that I'm saying that the price is going to crash, because I'm not saying that. I'm just simply saying that the easiest direction is to the downside right now. And my first price target, like I said, I can see it, $160. Now, buyers come in around 160, then guess what? We'll grab that 2.25%, exit out this forecast, put on a buy forecast, and look for the market to go back up in Quant. My second price target, go ahead and show you, is going to be right there around 150. Okay, so that's around 8%. Move to the downside in Quant. Okay, 8%. So we got $160, and next one is going to be $150 price target. My third one is going to be down to 140. Now, I'm not really seeing price running down to 140 yet, but as we look at this on the weekly chart, that's definitely something that's feasible from that time frame. Okay, so I'm done. Real quick video, nothing hard, nothing complicated. You guys need to understand that this is not a difficult game outside of what people make it out to be. All you have to do is simply look at what everyone else is doing. This is where the money is being made and created. This is where the bets are being taken. And all we had to do is simply look at it to see which side of the market is winning. Is the sellers or the buyers? So this is the current idea that I'm seeing into the market right now with Quant. Over the next couple of days, if this market does not trade back up above this trend line, then emphatically I'm perceiving that the market's going to continue to go down. Then we're currently going through that process now, so anything can happen. That's why I got my first price target around 160. But give me your thoughts, let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, hit the like button, and also subscribe.